Rivers State Governor Wike tok say no threat from opposition parties go stop the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Simeon Fubara, and the state assembly candidates to become the winners for March 18th elections. He talked this one when All Rivers Youth Forum formally declared their support for Simeon Fubara for Port Harcourt. According to Wike, the Saturday elections go show who be the oga for Rivers State. Say PDP no fear any threat where they come from opposition to bring soldiers during the elections.
Fubara was employed as a civil servant. He grew to the level of Director of Finance. He grew to the level of Permanent Secretary. He grew to the level of Accountant General of the state. Who is more qualified? Oya Cole, even though he voted for Atiku, he voted for with Amechi. The same Amechi who said he won the South. Did he support the South? Saturday is the day. Let me tell you. He told people that he's going to bring army. I said, look, you're not the time for this army. You might be allowed to embarrass the Nigerian army. You did it in 2019. Did it work? Will it work now? Bring them. We're here. I will run the way. When we finish, they will take back here and go. As usual. So be prepared. Be prepared. I believe they will announce the result on Monday. I believe, even if it's midnight, prepare, we'll meet here.
I am the leader of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State. And so, because of that, I was in a dilemma. But said I told myself first that I'm first a Rivers man before a member of a political party. And the youth said that they are ready to take the destinies into their hands. The youth have told me that they will not vote for anybody who has been foisted, somebody who is new, somebody is a stranger to Rivers State, that they will not vote for that person. The youth have also told me that they will not vote for an ethnic jingoist. Not the son I talk. They said they will only vote for a statist. The statist that you, our governor, will lead. You have always led the path.
His Excellency, the youth has asked me to tell you that I will stand by you during this election and after the election. And we are pleased with the candidature of Sir Sim Joseph Fubara, KSC. And Ngozi Odu, and we're going to support all PDP candidates to win election on Saturday. While we're commending you for what they have done, His Excellency, tell the big politicians to leave the youth alone. They are afraid of us. They should stay in their house. On Saturday, you will not see them at the bullying unit. It is these people you are seeing here. You will see them everywhere. Because we must protect our vote. And our vote must count.
From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojeisele, TMC TV News.